example of somebody that has started at the district at the very lowest rung you could possibly have and have worked myself up through hard work and the many opportunities that the district offers. My name is Randy Smith. I'm the Natural Systems and Restoration Bureau Chief, and I've been at the district for a little over 20 years. Not only does the district offer careers in a variety of fields, but there are many opportunities for advancement. My first job at the district was actually washing the pool vehicles that staff check out to go out in the field and go to meetings. That led to an intern position that ultimately positioned me for an environmental scientist position at the district, collecting data, doing some project management. That progressed into more of the project management and business side of things. I worked in the water supply section, learning about reclaimed water and alternative water supply. I worked in the project management office, doing more of the business support for the division.
Are we presenting on the Cracker Avenue restoration project?
That led to a management position, managing staff, a leadership role, and then ultimately to a senior level management position as bureau chief. One of the things that I really look forward to is mentoring the younger staff at the district and sharing my experience and my path at the district to hopefully give them some ideas, as well as to encourage them that no matter how low you start at the district, that there's so many opportunities.